All right, so this is a Thrive first aid kit that I got off of Amazon. If you check the description part of the page, I'll leave some information about where you can get this from. So I bought this because it's small and easy to travel with. So let's go ahead and open it up to see what it has in there to offer. So there's a zipper pouch as well as a clip that you can tie onto a belt or some sort of other hook. Comes convenient, especially for you hikers out there. So it's a double zipper. I'm going to open it up. On the inside, there is first aid, CPR and first aid basic guide, a pocket guide that come in handy. I'll keep that to the side. But let's go ahead and look at what it has in here to offer. So the first item that it has some tape, very essential. There are also pins, safety pins. Comes in there. There's like 5 safety pins in there. Next, there is some small scissors. Come in handy for cutting things. Cotton swabs. Some people call them Q-tips, but they're actually cotton swabs in there. Pair or set of tweezers just in case you get a splinter out on a trail or something like that. Tweezers are very nice to have in a first aid kit. And there's another pocket, and on this other pocket there's a set of gloves, good for handling bodily fluids. There's actually 2 sets of gloves, so you can get injured twice and be protected. Also, here is a vast assortment of bandages to use. Very handy. You need all different sets of types of sizes, and it offers in here. Here's your regular strip, and on the back side, I believe that is a knuckle bandage that can be used. Also, there are some antiseptic wipes, I believe, in here in the back. Let's open this up because I see alcohol wipes on the front. So there are alcohol wipes, which can come in handy. But here are some BZK antiseptic towelettes, which are very handy for disinfectant areas where you need. So that's my first aid travel kit that I have right here. Let's zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit of what's going on right here. There's a lot of things that go into it. It's a relatively simple first aid kit, great to have just in case for the whatever happens. Very brief, very concise, fits in a small bag. And that's my first aid kit. Don't forget to check the description part of the page where I'll leave some information about where you can get this from. Thanks for a lot for watching. Ask me any questions if you need to about this product. Thank you.